Let's install a light switch. One of these wires is going to the light. One of these wires is coming from the electrical panel. First thing you want to do is take your two white wires and strip them off about an inch. And then twist them together. Then cut them off even and put a wire nut on there. Just like that. And then you want to fold it back out of the way. So now you've got your neutral connected for the light. Then we want to take our black wires. We want to strip off about an inch on them. And then we take our wire strippers. There's a hole right there. We want to feed our wire in there just a little bit and make a hook. Just like that. Do that to both wires. Okay. Then you're going to need an extra bare wire to use for your grounds. So, extra bare wire. You want to take it, bunch all of your ground wires together, and then twist them. Cut them off, and then put a wire nut on. Fold those out of the way, and take the end of it and put a hook on that end, just like you did with the black ones, just like that. Then you take this bare one and you put it on that green ground screw. Then you want to flip it over. Put one of the black wires on the bottom. Then take the other one, connect it on the top. Then you want to kind of fold the wires, that way you can push it back into the box really easily. And whenever you're putting the switch back in there, you want to make sure that you can read where that says off. And when you flip it, it says on. You want to be able to read that. So if it's flipped this way, that'll actually say no. So, and then you won't be able to read the off. Just like that, you've installed a light switch. So, God bless. Have a wonderful day. The more you know, the more valuable you are.